So here's the door security bar, the way it came in the box. It's got 3 pieces. They're calling this the middle piece. And this is the U-shaped top. And then the third piece is the padded base. And the middle piece, this is important. It has these 2 red stickers. See, this one's got the shape of the U-shaped top. It's telling me that this piece goes with that end. And then the padded base goes with the end that has the padded base sticker on it. Here's my instruction sheet. I've got another door security bar here, so I'm going to assemble it with this one. I've already extended it to make it long enough to fit my door, and it's really easy. I take the padded base. It's got a little divot right here by my thumb, and on the inside, corresponding to that divot, is a little ball. So that little ball has to go into the channel on the middle piece. Just push it on there and then twist it to the right, and that makes it firmly in place. And then this is really easy. You take the U-shaped top and you just push it into the middle piece. I'm going to show you how I put it on the door. Again, the U-shaped piece goes right under your door knob, and then you just use your foot to kind of tap it in place, and that's it.